the ankle. He's happy for play to continue, and Cornelius with a clever header back, fighting his left back forward. And the flags just turns on the afterburners. We've seen that on so many occasions. What a pass! What a finish! My word, that is the goal of the highest quality. And it is Pessier who levels things up. Down the left-hand side, we have spoken about it earlier as to be the avenue. What a throw that is. He really attacked the keeper. He spilled that. Had to clear. Goodness me. Here's a... Oh, there's a chance there. Excellent block. Oh, wow. What a finish that is. And Karbi, Anglong, Morning Star FC have turned this game around within a matter of minutes. It is an absolute screamer. Wow. Just wow. Lovely footwork. Just fell kindly to Robinson, and how about that? He just passes it into the top corner. It looks easy, but ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you something. That is the finish. Especially when you split. That area is so critical to exploit. It's good defensive work then. The keeper had to be decisive. Oh, it's a heavy touch there. He gets around the keeper. Can he fill it to the open goal? And yes, he will. It is an absolute howler there from Kaushal. Took an extra touch. And he made no mistake. That is not an easy finish considering there was a defender at the line. We were just talking about how important it is for KKFC to make sure they don't concede another just before the half-time break. And it's a massive mistake there from the keeper. What a composed finish that is, really. Can we want to confirm? Look at this. The touch was heavy. Robinson, magnificent work. And on the right foot, he has been spot on. So switched on. They made sure he pitched that away. Look at that. No hesitation in his mind. He just fills in the goal. That is not an easy finish, folks.